Hello everyone, my name is Prince Williams. I'm studying 6th L1 in our Chaitanya Eldridge Talent School. This is my team.
My name is Tejas. I am studying 6th Elite 1 in our Chaitanya Little Stud.
My name is Tejas. I am studying 6th Elite 1 in our Chaitanya Little Talent School.
My name is Ashita. I am studying 6th Elite 1 in our Chaitanya Little Talent School.
My name is Sally. I am studying 6th Elite 1 in our Chaitanya Little Talent School.
Today we are going to explain about HungryBot. HungryBot is a creative and interactive robot project designed primarily using 3D printed components, making it lightweight, customizable, and easy to assemble. The robot minimizes the action of eating by detecting when food or small objects are near its mouth and the opening its jaw to consume them. This robot is often powered by an Arduino microcontroller.
Which serves as the brain of the system, controlling servo motors that move jaw parts. The detection of the food object is typically done using sensors which sense the presence of an item within a certain distance. When a sensor detects an object, the Arduino sends signal to the servo motor to open the mouth, simulating a chewing motion.
This interrogation profits a fun and engaging way to learn about sensors and robotics. The use of 3D printers in a HungryBot project is significant because it allows precise fabrications of complex shapes such as jaw, fingers, and body parts, which might be difficult to or expensive to produce otherwise.
3D printing also makes it easy to customize the design, enabling hobbyists to modify the robotic size, shapes, and functionality according to their preference. HungryBot is a popular educational tool because it introduces a user to key robotic concepts such as uh, sensor integration, servo motor controller, and microcontroller programming.
Additionally, it encourages creativity in design prototyping using 3D printing technology. While primarily a novelty educational device, the HungryBot also demonstrates how robot can be designed to interact with the environment is playful and meaningful ways. Let's see the operation.